friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you a very informative video related to the Indian Army TES. Okay, so finally the Indian Army TES 10+2 form has been out. Okay, so in this video I will give you complete detail about the latest vacancy which is released by the Indian Army, and that is completely based on the JEE Main. Okay, so if you are the candidates who have participated in the JEE Main 2023 guys, then this video gonna very informative to you. Okay, इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे about the Indian Army TES क्या है and how can you fill the form guys. Okay, for your kind information let me tell you that guys, this form is free of cost. Okay, so you will charge nothing. Okay, and this is very important basically vacancy of the Indian Army for the lieutenant and other important post. Okay, so must watch the video guys. Okay, before moving to the video guys, if you are new here to my channel, support my channel for getting such informative content. Okay, because you will get these type of important updates in this channel. Okay, so guys, here you can clearly visualize that Indian Army TES, that is the technical entry scheme, finally the form has been released. Okay, for the 10+2 basis. Okay, so first of all guys, who are eligible? So candidates who have appeared in the JEE Main either session 1 session 2 are eligible for this. Okay? And other eligibility is that he must be an Indian and unmarried male. Okay, so obviously guys, most of the unmarried. Okay, age limit, you have to remember this age limit. Candidates whose age between the 16 and half to 19 and half. Okay, means you can clearly visualize that you should not born before 2 July 2004 एंड आफ्टर 1 जुलाई 2007. ओके, सो इस डेट के बीच में अगर आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ आ रहा देन या यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द अप्लाइंग द टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम गाइस. ओके, रिमेंबर गाइस, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वैकेंसी फील्ड बाय द इंडियन आर्मी. यू विल बी डायरेक्टली रिक्रूटेड टू ऑन द लेफ्टिनेंट पोस्ट. ओके, डायरेक्ट आपको लेफ्टिनेंट पोस्ट मिलेगा. ओके, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ perks and various important commissions are too available. Okay, now talking about the what are the education qualification for this post. Okay, so education qualification for this post is minimum aggregate of 60 plus marks in physics chemistry and math. Okay, तो अगर आपका aggregate means combined physics chemistry math में 60% marks है then आप eligible है. Okay, minimum रहना चाहिए and you must have appeared in JEE in 2023 that I have already said guys. Okay, so these are the important things that you have to do note guys. Okay, now vacancy number of vacancies total 90. Okay, but remember guys, if you have percentile above 85 then you will be shortlisted 100%. Okay, because earlier also in the previous year one of my friends got shortlisted for the SSB, that is for the special means recruitment. Okay, and that will be the 5-day special SSB round will be happen. Okay, after shortlisting of the candidates. Okay, सो इफ यू हैव 85 प्लस परसेंटाइल देन 100% चांस गाइस हो सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारा कैंडिडेट्स को पता ही नहीं था कि ये ऐसा भी कुछ एंट्री स्कीम और इस तरह का वैकेंसी इंडियन आर्मी के द्वारा फिल किया जाता है. ओके, सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस. ऑलरेडी मैं वेरियस बेनिफिट्स वगैरह बता दिया. ओके, एंड देयर विल बी आफ्टर इफ यू विल सिलेक्टेड देन आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी 2 फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. ओके, फेज 1 फॉर द प्री कमीशन ट्रेनिंग, दैट विल बी 3 ईयर कोर्सेज. ओके, इन द CMET पुणे में होगा. ओके, एंड अनदर इन सिकंदराबाद. ओके, सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू note guys. Okay, and you will be also given the stipend, that is the 13,940 as a cost of training and various important things. So no doubt this is the important things. As I have already said that you will be directly appointed a lieutenant rank. Okay, so on a lieutenant rank you will be appointed, so no doubt this is a very important form for this. Okay, so these are the important things you should note guys. And also after basically shortlisting, obviously guys, you will be basically medically examined by the medical officer and all things, so you have to note all that things, very important. Okay, so simply how to basically register, simply you have to go to the official website of the Indian Army, that is the joinindianarmy.nic.in. from where you can fill this form by providing the sufficient detail. Okay, if you are responsibly good, then I will also provide a step-by-step form fill up for this too. Okay, so these are the important detail you have to note guys. Okay, and I hope that this video is very informative to you. Okay, how to apply, I have already said that simply you have to go to www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and simply you have to do the registration, and document that will require is class 10th certificate. Okay, or mark sheet in original which is as a proof DOB. Okay, then class 12 certificate and mark sheet in original, ID proof any original. Okay, you can give Aadhaar card and various important things. Okay, and very important, that is the copy of result of JEE Main 2023. JEE Main 2023 का रिजल्ट कार्ड और सिंपली कह सकते हैं रैंक कार्ड आपका रहना चाहिए, कॉपी, ये सब आपको जरूरी पड़ेगा ड्यूरिंग द सबमिशन ऑफ फॉर्म गाइस. ओके, सो दीज आर द सम इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल दैट यू हैव टू नोट. ओके, बिसाइड दैट यू मस्ट हैव 20 कॉपीज ऑफ सेल्फ अटेस्टेड पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ भी रहना चाहिए. ओके, फॉर द फर्दर यूजेज. ओके, रिमेंबर गाइस, आफ्टर फिलिंग द फॉर्म दे विल रिलीज द शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स ऑन द ईमेल. ओके, सो आपको ईमेल पे आ जाएगा कि वेदर यू आर शॉर्ट लिस्टेड और नॉट, और जो भी खर्चा रहेगा. ओके, देयर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग चांस दैट योर बेसिकली SSB will happen in UP or some other state. Okay, जो भी खर्चा रहेगा that will be प्रीवियस ईयर तो ऐसा था कि इंडियन आर्मी के द्वारा ही दिया गया था, मीन्स जितना आपका खर्चा हुआ रिलेटेड टू द योर ड्रेस, रिलेटेड टू योर बेसिकली टिफिन एंड अदर थिंग्स, वो सब खर्चा इंडियन आर्मी ही देता है ड्यूरिंग 5 डे SSB राउंड 2। ओके, तो मेरा दोस्त एक्चुअली आफ्टर 4 डे उन लोग को मीन्स वापस घर भेज दिया गया था। ओके, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फर्दर। ओके, so these are the important thing that you should know. Okay, here they have already written the short listing of application. The candidate center allotment will be initiated to the candidates via email, जो मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ। ओके, इलाहाबाद यूपी, ओके इलाहाबाद यूपी, भोपाल MP, बेंगलुरु कर्नाटका, जालंधर पंजाब, ये सब अलग अलग जगह पे आपको बुलाया जा सकता है। ओके, देन यू विल बी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड। ओके, दी आर द इम्पोर्टेंट venue for the SSB. Okay, so you have to note this important thing. Okay, I have already said that SSB interview will be for 5 day. Okay, 5 day का interview SSB interview होगा. These are the important detail that you have to note, guys. Okay, if you have applied for the NDA and if you are there basically not medically fit, then you can't apply this too. Okay, आप remember रखेंगे। Okay, these are the important detail। और मैं आपको लिंक में भी नोटिफिकेशन प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा जहाँ से आप डिटेल में पढ़ सकते हो। ओके, बट मैंने ऑलरेडी ट्राई किया दैट I have given the complete detail about this. Okay? I hope informative to you. So if you have a passion, if you have a goal to join the Indian Army, to join the defense, then no doubt guys, this is an important opportunity. Okay, because you will be appointed on the lieutenant rank, and that is good. Okay, so बहुत लोग का होता है कि ये सब एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के बारे में पता नहीं रहता, इसलिए कट ऑफ भी कभी कभी कम ही जाता है। ओके, सो यू हैव, इफ यू आर JEE कैंडिडेट, then I will say to all the JEE candidates must fill the form. Whether you are shortlisted or not, that is another thing. Okay, but आप फॉर्म तो भरें। So I hope video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. I will feel very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.